The rest of the menu, this 3100 right now, it's the speed of your dispensing of the label. That's how fast the label is going to be dispensed. Then you have label dispense delay. So after a bottle reads, after the sensor reads a bottle, right now it's counting 0.6 seconds before it delivers the label. Label position after gap. Again, that's position, how many pulses after it reaches the gap between the labels. Then you have your conveyor speed. Then you have your wrap belt speed. And then you have your spacing speed.